Easy DIY project. Thanks to these Primeline KC10HD safety spring door closers, your next to do is quick and easy. Use these door closers to convert hinged doors to self-closing ones. Includes surface-mounted spring-loaded door closer, tensioning rod, slide plate and hole plugs to cover adjustment holes in closer body after desired tension has been set. Easy installation. With a closer and plastic slide plate being surface-mounted, installation is a breeze. This spring door closer can be used on doors up to 150 pounds, and can be used on both left and right-handed doors. Adjustable tension. Easily adjust the tension on this safety spring door closer. These closers also feature adjustable closing speed. Product info. This safety spring door closer features a non-handed design and brown painted finish to complement any style door. 1-inch wide base, 4 1/4-inch hole center spacing and 4 3/4-inch arm. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly for our cat. We keep our cat's litter box on the laundry room. We set this to just shut the door without latching it, which was easy to do, so our smallish cat can open the door as needed and it closes behind her both to go into the laundry room with a slight push and out again grabbing the door with her paw. It works perfectly. Very light to the touch and closes slowly and softly without latching.